eyes collide. 1,000 words we try to hide. The weight is heavy, the night is slow. I don't know if I should stay or go. Should I stay or should I go? When love feels high, then it sinks so low. Every step pulls me both ways. Should I leave or should I stay? Your touch still burns, but it feels unclear. A fragile love caught between fear. We built a fire, but the flame won't last. The smoke is thick from a shattered past.